Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to do your Ancestry DNA test step by step. Using only the Ancestry app, it's quick, easy and you will be ready to discover your family history in no time. First of all, order and activate. First, order your DNA kit from Ancestry. You can order it from, go to the Ancestry application. At the below menu, you will see discover, search and DNA option. Click on that and here you can register a kit. After you have registered a kit, collect your sample. Next, don't eat or drink for the least 30 minutes. Spit the tube until it reaches the black line. Snap the blue cap closed. This releases a stabilizing solution. Shake the tube for about 5 seconds to mix it well. And another step is to send it back. Place the tube in the bag, then into the prepaid return box. Just drop it in your nearest mailbox. No extra postage needed in most regions. Then another step is to track and get result. Back in the Ancestry app, you can track your kit's progress under DNA status. Results usually take 6 to 8 weeks and you will get notification when they are ready. And that's it. That's how you do an Ancestry DNA test with just an app. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.